Good afternoon, taking it easy.
Bartender, this is Take It Easy. We have 5 POB.
Thank you, taking it easy.
Holy shit, this is too good! Can you imagine me being here? It's probably one of the random things I did here.
Easy to find surfing.
Oh man, my hair! So we literally just paid $5 per person just to get on the yacht. I mean, how crazy is this experience? Get to sail around Yamba. The thing funny about Yamba is, look at this. You can get all clouds and cloudy in one side, and then no clouds and bright and sunny on the other side. This place is an undiscovered gem, basically. Sorry about my hair, it's been all over the place. You know what? It doesn't care. We are on a yacht, just enjoying life. Who is the captain?
I am.
Oh! This is pretty damn cool. Let me check out what's inside this yacht. I think this is a bedroom here. Stove to cook stuff. Tiny microwave. A little sink here. Basically got a bit of everything. Oh, and wow, this is looking cozy. And then if you look up there, ta-da! Wow, imagine waking up with, or not just waking up, or at night you see all the stars when you're sleeping. I mean, this is amazing. When you look out of the window, you just see ocean and that's it. I can't imagine a life living on sea actually. Maybe one day I'll try it. Of course they are Vegemite. Oh, this is a good background. So apparently Rob has been telling me he just bought this boat 1 year ago. Can you guys guess how much? Wait, 800,000 Australian dollars, which means close to $1 million Australian dollars. So guess what? I'm gonna have to start saving now, but you can't save up that money from a normal job, so I have to rely on YouTube then. So what you guys have to do, remember to like and subscribe to my video for more. And we were having this conversation, and 10 years later, who knows, maybe my channel will blow up, and that's how I got my yacht. Possibly, you know, nothing is impossible. Maybe you guys are the lucky ones that see my YouTube channel thrive in the beginning stage of my career. You never know.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you wanted to. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young.
good. And if I'm over there and I'm calling out to do it, I'll say a little bit more or stop. At the moment, it sort of doesn't really matter.
Zip.
Rob, do we need to zip?
I'll fix that up when we get back.
So this is it. We are done for the day. How beautiful. Jesus Christ. Look at the view here. Look at the view behind me. Woo-hoo. What an experience. We literally just paid $5 to get on the yacht. Have a wonderful captain. What more you can ask for? Australia life in finest. It's interesting how they call it yacht racing, because I never been on a yacht racing before. I never knew that there's a yacht racing, you know? It's eye-opening. These guys really get competitive when it comes down to competition. You know, man loves competition, and it's just human nature. Try to get past each and everyone. Unfortunately, you know, we came close. But that's it. Just enjoying the ride and
Take that to the back.
How about here?
That one goes to the middle.
ciao.
Bye bye. See ya.
Like camping, you know, sit on, but I don't use it because I go on the shore.
Haha, someone's got no skirt. You know, her skirt got blown away.
Oh,
when
did
she-
it? Oh, that'll teach you. So you just wrap anything around.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, makes a good memory.
it is.